interest in serving your customers or other people with fresh and top-quality food products and beverages, it is imperative that you have a commercial refrigerator in your location. This appliance helps to keep everything perfectly chilled and ensures they don't spoil. In this comprehensive review, you will learn about the best commercial refrigerators from the top brands available on the market. You can also peruse the buyer's guide to help you decide which model best suits your needs. What is the best commercial refrigerator to buy? We highly recommend the KoolMore stainless steel glass 3-door commercial reach-in refrigerator. Because of its aesthetically appealing look, durable steel construction, and a spacious interior that you can comfortably use to stack and display all your beverage and food items such as beans, cold drinks, juice cartons, and so forth. We've researched and discovered the 9 top-rated commercial refrigerators, as well as one to avoid. Coming in at number 1, the KoolMore stainless steel glass 3-door commercial reach-in refrigerator. There is no denying that the KoolMore stainless steel glass 3-door commercial reach-in refrigerator is the best commercial refrigerator. This reach-in refrigerator that boasts an aesthetically appealing glass door will keep your edibles such as milk, yogurt, eggs, etc. organized and cool in the kitchen of your restaurant. Furthermore, the KoolMore commercial refrigerator is built to last for a very long time. It has a top-quality stainless steel construction that is great to look at as well. Furthermore, you can easily keep track of your food items and beverages courtesy to the LED lighting and glass doors. The KoolMore stainless steel commercial refrigerator also has a very airy interior that is space-saving at the same time. It possesses 3 deep shelves that are adjustable for a maximum amount of storage, and the shelves are designed in a way that they do not crowd the inner space of your refrigerator. Other special and unique features include a self-closing door, 4 portable casters that are easy to move around, and a digital display that you can use to control the temperature. Here's some pros. 1. It's easy to clean. 2. It's aesthetically appealing. And 3. It has a spacious interior. Now for a con. It's considerably expensive, so it's not your best choice if you're on a tight budget. Coming in at number 2, the EdgeStar VBR 640 14 cubic foot built-in commercial beverage merchandiser. You should go for the 14 cubic foot EdgeStar VBR 640 built-in commercial beverage merchandiser if you're looking for the best commercial refrigerator on a budget. It has an impressive stainless steel trim, dual-pane glass, and a security lock. Moreover, the EdgeStar VBR 640 boasts an intelligent temperature alarm to better safeguard your beverage items, such as Coke and juice, from spoiling. The alarm will go off if the refrigerator door is left open or if its power supply is interrupted. In addition, the EdgeStar VBR 640 commercial beverage refrigerator has great interior LED lighting, so you can keep all your beverage items in view. In this way, customers can easily select what beverage they want. Furthermore, you get even cooling with this merchandiser. Uneven cooling in hot spots will be a non-concern for the EdgeStar VBR 640, owing to its forced air cooling, compressor-based, that spreads cool air throughout the merchandiser very evenly. Whether you own a small dining joint or a large restaurant, the EdgeStar VBR 640 14 cubic foot built-in commercial beverage merchandiser is ideal for displaying all your chilled beverages and pleasing your customer base. Now for some pros. 1. Owing to its built-in capability, you can easily position the refrigerator against walls and in tight spaces without concerning yourself about ventilation. 2. The digital temperature display and the control panel is easy to use. 3. The temperature alarm is a great useful feature. Now for a couple of cons. 1. It's not long-lasting, and 2. Stops cooling your beverages properly after some time. Now, coming in at number 3, The Duker's DSM-15R 14.7 cubic foot commercial display cooler merchandiser refrigerator. Perfectly designed to display and show any kind of beverage or food item, the Duker's DSM-15R commercial display cooler merchandiser refrigerator, 14.7 cubic foot capacity, chills your edibles while providing a sleek-looking enclosure. The unit also has a glass door that tightly seals for steady beverage and food temperature. Furthermore, you have the freedom to select your desired temperature with the help of the Duker's DSM-15R commercial refrigerator's LED display and digital temperature controls. With a temperature range of 33 degrees Fahrenheit to 41 degrees Fahrenheit, the refrigerator safely stores and chills all kinds of foods, such as custard, milk, energy drinks, and so forth, keeping them ice cold. The appliance also has 5 wire shelves that are very easy to remove and adjust as per your needs. Moreover, the Duker's DSM-15R's interior lighting helps to illuminate food items and other products so that they're easily visible for anyone looking inside the refrigerator. Now here's some pros. The 1/4 horsepower compressor boosts the refrigerator's efficiency. You can easily remove wire shelves to suit food and beverage items of any size. And the anti-fogging refrigerator glass. Now here's a con. Some users have complained that the refrigerator sometimes gives off odd noises. Looking to learn more about the best commercial refrigerator in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Now, coming in at number 4, the Arctic Air AGR49 2-door glass reach-in refrigerator stainless steel. The Arctic Air AGR49 2-door glass reach-in refrigerator is by far one of the leading appliances when it comes to 2-door reach-in fridges. You can rest assured that you will be buying a reliable appliance as manufacturers operate and monitor the Arctic Air AGR49 refrigerator for at least 13 hours before they package and ship it. Furthermore, the exterior cabinet of the refrigerator is made of complete stainless steel, which is a very durable material, including all the sides and front. The interior of this refrigerator has stainless steel floors, as well as 6 heavy-duty and adjustable wire shelves that are epoxy-coated. The advantage of the coating is that it offers a shiny and durable surface. Other special features that make the Arctic Air AGR49 2-door glass reach-in refrigerator highly desirable in the commercial food service marketplace of today is the electronic thermostat equipped with digital display, external, and lockable and self-closing refrigerator doors. Here's a couple of pros. The casters are easy to mount. The bottom-mounted compressor enables more efficient operation. You can remove and replace the magnetic door gaskets without needing any tools. And it's very spacious. Now for a con. It's quite costly compared to other commercial refrigerators on the market. Now, coming in at number 5, the Maxx Cold MXSR 49GD2 2-glass door reach-in upright commercial NSF refrigerator cooler. Look no further than the Maxx Cold MXSR 49GD2 2-glass door reach-in upright commercial NSF refrigerator cooler if you seek a durable and spacious unit that can easily accommodate different food items. Its key feature includes an adjustable digital controller equipped with a temperature display screen that you can easily view from up to 15 feet away. How convenient is that? You can also digitally control the temperature to acquire perfect storage conditions of all the beverages and foods inside. Furthermore, this Maxx Cold refrigerator unit has 2 self-closing doors that are insulated and bright LED interior lighting that illuminates all the products, drinks, and food items inside the refrigerator. Moreover, every standard Maxx Cold MXSR 49GD2 2-glass door reach-in upright commercial NSF refrigerator cooler model comes equipped with door locks to keep your contents safe and 6 heavy-duty wire shelves. Now here's some pros. 1. The stainless steel refrigerator exterior is durable and long-lasting. 2. The exterior is easy to clean. And 3. It's Energy Star listed, which means it's energy efficient. Now for a con. Owing to its large size, it's not easy to fit in small spaces in restaurants or other commercial places. And now coming in at number 6, the Procool Refrigeration 1000-liter display beverage cooler merchandiser refrigerator. The Procool Refrigeration 1000-liter display beverage cooler merchandiser refrigerator is currently serving various restaurant owners and retailers all around the globe, and for a good reason. This 1000-liter refrigerator offers a very dynamic and innovative cooling system with the R290 refrigerant that is energy efficient. Furthermore, the refrigerant improves the reliability of the compressor as well. Additionally, the Procool Refrigeration 1000-liter display beverage cooler merchandiser refrigerator boasts a digital controller equipped with a defrost timer that is programmable. The temperature range is programmable as well and varies between 33 and 50 degrees Fahrenheit. What's more, there are 2 LED lights in the aluminum interior of the refrigerator that enable proper illumination of the beverages, like water, cold drinks, milk, etc., and food items stacked inside. This helps you quickly take a glance and check the contents of the refrigerator. Now for some pros. 1. Easy-to-adjust shelves increase efficiency in storage. 2. The water tray is self-evaporating and no drain is required. 3. It has a cutting-edge cooling system. How about a con? It's slightly bulky and not easy to accommodate in small spaces. It's not exactly the best small commercial refrigerator. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite commercial refrigerator. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. Coming in at number 7, the commercial 2-door Undercounter refrigerators KITMA 13.5 cubic foot stainless steel side-by-side worktop fridge. The commercial 2-door Undercounter refrigerators KITMA 13.5 cubic foot stainless steel side-by-side worktop fridge is most likely your best bet if you're on the lookout for the best commercial under-counter refrigerator. The manufacturers have designed the exterior and interior of this under-counter refrigerator with reinforced steel that makes sure this unit is extremely durable. Furthermore, by operating with a 1/7 horsepower refrigeration system, you get optimal performance with this appliance. The stable temperature also makes sure that all your food items and beverages are safely stored in an ideal environment, and the product quality is not compromised. Owing to its under-counter design, you can add refrigerated storage in the commercial 2-door under-counter refrigerators KITMA 13.5 cubic foot stainless steel side-by-side worktop fridge to store food items and other ingredients without the need for additional space. Hence, you can save yourself a lot of kitchen space by placing several cooking countertop utensils on top of the refrigerator. Now here's some pros. Its compact size makes it ideal for home kitchen use. The refrigerator top can easily support heavy-duty equipment, and the casters make it easy to clean and service the refrigerator. Now here's a con. There's no glass door, so you can't see the refrigerator contents from the outside. Coming in at number 8, the Arctic Air AR49 54-inch 2-section solid door reach-in commercial refrigerator. When it comes to 2-section solid door reach-in refrigerators, the best one out there is undoubtedly the Arctic Air AR49 54-inch 2-section solid door reach-in commercial refrigerator. The refrigerator's interior boasts a white aluminum liner, along with 6 epoxy-coated shelves that are adjustable to easily store all of your beverages, food items, and other ingredients that you want to refrigerate. The Arctic Air AR49 Reach-In Refrigerator also comes equipped with a built-in heating element and condensate pan that serves to evaporate extra water. Furthermore, courtesy to this model's LED display and electronic thermostat, you can easily monitor the refrigerator's operating temperatures at all times. Its stainless steel construction for the sides and front enhance the refrigerator's durability. Here's a few pros. 1. It's a beautiful design. 2. It has a large capacity to accommodate several beverages and food items. And 3. Easy to clean refrigerator's interior. Now for a con. It leaks water on the floor sometimes. And now, coming in at number 9, the WP Restaurant Fridge's 78-inch triple 3-door side-by-side stainless steel reach-in commercial refrigerator. Are you looking for a spacious and highly reliable 3-door reach-in fridge? If that's so, it serves your best interest to opt for the WP Restaurant Fridge's 78-inch triple 3-door side-by-side stainless steel reach-in commercial refrigerator. The refrigerator operates on a temperature range of 33 to 41 degrees Fahrenheit. You can easily adjust the temperature from the LED display. Furthermore, this 78-inch triple 3-door side-by-side stainless steel reach-in commercial refrigerator boasts a 1/2 horsepower top-mounted compressor that boosts the unit's efficiency and operation. It also has an ergonomic design that makes it easier for whoever operates the refrigerator regularly in a commercial setting. Moreover, this large 72 cubic foot refrigerator has a long lifespan thanks to its top-quality stainless steel construction. And now for the Freshness.com commercial refrigerator to avoid. The True GDM 12 HCLD single-swing glass door merchandiser refrigerator with hydrocarbon refrigerant and LED lighting. At first sight, the True GDM 12 HCLD single-swing glass door merchandiser refrigerator with hydrocarbon refrigerant and LED lighting looks very aesthetically appealing. It also splendidly displays all beverages and foods. However, most users would agree that this refrigerator is one of the worst commercial refrigerators on the market. That's because it just doesn't provide sufficient value for the money you invest in it. Sure, it has some positive qualities, like the sleek-looking exterior and the interior LED lighting, but that's about the extent of it. When you look at the bigger picture, it would just be wise to ignore this refrigerator since it has more cons than pros. You're better off going for any other top-quality commercial refrigerator model, like the ones we've mentioned before. Here's the pros. It's aesthetically appealing and has LED lighting that illuminates all your stored foods and beverages. But here's all the cons. The refrigerator's handle has a tendency to break quite soon. The shelves are not easy to remove. It's not as durable as most of the other commercial refrigerator models. It's not very easy to clean and maintain, and the compressor is not very powerful. And now, for the Freshness.com final thoughts on buying the best commercial refrigerator. This review details some of the best commercial refrigerators that you can find in the market. Prior to buying a commercial refrigerator that strikes your fancy, be sure to go through all of its key features and pros and cons to see which fridge aligns with your business needs. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and give a comment below with your favorite commercial refrigerator. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh, weekly video updates.